Did you know that you can walk around while you're meditating? You can. You can also walk around meditating and set intentions for your day in a way that you may have never thought of. Daily meditation. It's the antidote to worries, stress, and nonstop thinking. For some people, it's like breaking out of the mental prison to find paradise. People suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, and lead to physical illnesses. So many people turn to medication for the answers, when the answers are inside you. Meditation will help you with all that stuff and more. It's actually the best way to start the day. It only takes a couple minutes. Why don't you hang around? Give it a try. Joy. Well, one of the most pleasant ways to cultivate a mindfulness mentality and to enjoy your life is to notice the things that bring you lots of joy. So today's meditation, that's what we're going to do. By taking the time to appreciate these moments that we enjoy, we're training the mind to recognize more of them for the future. So in this practice, we're going to be taking a short walk, so you might want to get some shoes ready. We're going to be noticing what makes you happy. So find somewhere to walk. It may be a park, maybe on a trail, and maybe just around your block. You don't need to have anywhere special, okay? Before you start walking, we're going to stand, take a few deep breaths. In and out. And notice the feeling of your breath at your nostrils. Feel the air passing into your body and exhale through your mouth back out. And ground yourself. Feel the weight of your body in your feet on the ground. Tune into the weight of your body. Maybe shift your body from side to side. Feel the weight of your body shift from foot to foot or leg to leg. Then when you're ready, let's go. Let's begin a normal walk at a normal pace. Now, while we're moving, I want you to just look for things that you like, things that bring you joy. So just start looking around, breathe, move at a relaxed pace. And you may not love everything, it's okay. But look for the things that you do. Things that give you good feelings. Things that make you smile, things that are pretty, maybe people are funny. It can be as simple as the shape of the clouds, be a cool car, could be flowers, could be dragonflies, whatever it is that makes you happy. Now, when you start seeing these things, you can silently say to yourself in your head, or you can say it out loud if you really want to be brave. That's what I'd highly suggest. It's just, who cares? Say, I like you, flower. I love you, rainbow. Whatever it is, it feels silly and it's okay. Try trust me, just laugh at yourself, okay? This is just something for the next 10 minutes, and no one's watching. Keep walking, looking for those things. There is no right or wrong way to practice this. You just walk around and you look for things that make you happy. Now, be true to yourself, and whatever you like. Don't just say, well, I like kids. If those kids aren't kids that you like, well, no one says you have to like those children. Don't be mean. When your mind wanders off, just kind of come back to, okay, I'm focused on walking, breathing, enjoying the air passing in my body and back out. And I'm just noticing all the things that I enjoy. Keep walking. Your mind wanders, just bring it back and open up to the experiences and the things that you see and feel that bring joy and happiness. Now remember, there's beauty all around. But if you notice, the joy comes from inside you. You are constantly choosing to see the beauty all around you. And there's never a day that you can not do that. Now, yes, some days are harder than others. But imagine how much your life can shift. That if you just make a little habit of getting up every morning and taking 10 minutes to yourself before anybody says anything, before anybody bothers you, walk outside with your little shoes on, take a couple big breaths, walk, find the funny and beautiful and happy little things that are everywhere around you. They are there if you're looking. So before the world creeps in, you set your intention and choose to see the good side. Well, joy, happiness, they're all energies that live within us. When we look at the flowers, and we look at the bees, we look at the birds and listen to the seagulls, stand next to the waves or hike the mountains, whatever brings you joy, it's within your reach. Because all you have to do is go outside. And if you look around, there has to be something. If there isn't, take a few steps. If there isn't, take a few more. Your feet will lead you to what kind of brings joy to yourself. So, keep your feet moving, friends. And keep your heart open. Keep looking for the beauty. Looking for joy. And love to you, my friend. I think we have come to the end. Thank you for meditating with me. I hope you've enjoyed this sunrise, and I hope this brightens your day. If you enjoyed this time together, please let me know in the comments. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you love. Help me spread some sunshiny meditations in the morning. Peace and love.